Take a look at this channel. It has around 50,000 subscribers with just 75 videos, and almost every video is getting millions of views. All they post are skeleton educational shorts. So without wasting your time, today I'll show you exactly how to create these skeleton shorts step by step using AI. First, open Chat GPT. Go to Explore GPTs and search for skeleton shorts. Once it opens, type what you want your skeleton to do. For example, I'll type skeleton taking mass gainer. ChatGPT will instantly generate text-to-image prompts designed specifically for skeleton educational shorts. Now we'll generate images using Whisk AI. Copy the prompt you just generated and paste it into Whisk AI. To maintain style consistency, add a reference image. Simply take a screenshot from a similar skeleton video and upload it as the reference. Choose the aspect ratio and click Generate. And just like that, your first skeleton image is ready. Repeat the same process to generate all the required images and save them. Now it's time to turn these images into videos. Go to Flow AI and select Frames to Video. Upload your first skeleton image and type the type of motion you want, such as drinking, moving arms, body movement, subtle animation. Click Generate, and your first video clip is ready. Use the same method to generate all the video clips and save them. Now go back to ChatGPT. Ask ChatGPT to generate a voiceover script for this skeleton video. It will give you a long version. Now type, convert this into real version. You'll get a short, punchy voiceover, perfect for shorts and reels. Go to 11 Labs. Paste the short voiceover text, choose a voice you like, and generate the audio. Download the voiceover. Open your editing software. First, import the voiceover into the timeline. Now place the video clips according to the voiceover timing. Add cuts where required. Slightly zoom into all clips to remove borders or logos. Mute all clip audio so the voiceover stays clean. Generate captions, apply an effective caption template, and export the video. And that's how you can create viral skeleton educational shorts using AI. If this video helped you, like the video, subscribe to Revron for more AI tutorials, and comment below what type of AI video you want me to cover next.